Here I've got SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you how to invert colors, how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down and go to the accessibility. Now go to the bottom of the list where you will find color inversion just under display. Simply click on this switcher to activate dark mode on your device. And that's it. As you can see now, the display is all black and the letters and all the displayed data is white, so you can protect your eyes this way, and also the battery. Then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, to the standard color, go to the accessibility one more time and simply click on the same switcher one more time, and now you are back in the normal mode. So that would be all. This is how you can activate dark mode on your device, how you can invert colors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.